Do you want to get that fence project done quickly? GRA Services has the solution. SecureSet SP. Plumb your fence posts first using support sticks, rocks, or any other means. Open the snap top lid of the B component container and remove the seal. Then pour the A component into the B container and close the snap top lid. Shake the material until you have a uniformed cream color without streaks or swirls. Do not overmix the material. Open the snap top lid and pour the material into the hole as a liquid. In 1 hour, the material has hardened. I'm already done. In 1 hour, I was able to hang these 8-foot panel sections of fence. If you really want to save time with a clean, simple solution for your fence project, use SecureSet SP. And the cleanup? It's a cinch.